Here today I have a 15 Kia Optima that thieves tried to break into. I'm going to show you what to do when they break your lock cylinder here. So you can buy a set from Amazon or wherever you want to buy it from, or the dealer. Comes with the cap, cylinder, and key. The key will work this cylinder. It will not start the car if you order it that way. You can get a locksmith to code it to the car key. So first thing we want to do is open the door. And if you're looking here, there's this little cap. You want to take this cap off. Got to use a screwdriver sometimes to pick it out. And if you look in there, there's a 10 millimeter bolt, and it also takes a Phillips screw head. So we're going to loosen that and not take it all the way out. So I'm going to loosen that. It takes about 10 turns. You do not want that to come out, the screw. You just want to loosen it. And as you do, the cylinder comes out. See how simple that was? I'm going to click the cap on first. Put it back in. Sometimes you got to wiggle it around a little bit. We're going to get it. First comes the worst, you put the key in and kind of that. Take the screw out a little more. Might be blocking it. All right, went in. Now we're going to tighten it up. Put the plastic cap back on. Get it one more tight. Plastic cap, and there you go. Joe Beer Master, the Car Master. If you liked the video and it helped you, please subscribe and share with a friend. We're going to just have to paint the cap, and that's it. Take care.